morning, my dear lovely kids. In today's video, we will fill in the blank. We will see the picture, then we will see which letter is missing and we will write that letter. Let us start. See, this is the picture of a fan. For an fan. For an fan. Now let us see the spellings. For an fan. See here A is missing, so we will write letter A. For an fan. Now next is the picture of 6. 6. Sir X. 6. Sir X. 6. Now let us see the spellings. Sir X. 6. Here letter E is missing, so we will write letter I. Sir X. 6. Now see, this is the picture of a babe. 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 Now let us see the spellings. Babe. Here letter E means letter I is missing. E says I. So here we will fill letter I. Here we will fill E. Babe. Now let us see the next picture. See, this is the picture of a bat. Bat. Now let us see the spellings. Bat. Here letter A is missing, so we will fill letter A. Bat. Now it's your homework to practice this concept. Fill in the blanks in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.